to the Brabant in cold day in New York. I wanted to do an actual rundown of the FC now that I cleaned up the garage enough that I can walk around it. So, anyways, I wanted to make a video here and show the body of the FC. How we came to the decision of getting it was how this is just a diamond, just very, very dirty diamond. But the body's perfect. It's mostly everything original. Inside's a mess, but that's because I've been moving stuff around in there. But let's see. Let's just take it. Yeah, so this guy's replaceable. Or I could just sand them down and powder coat them. But sandblast them or whatever. Point being is, gotta check those motors, make sure they work. But if you look at here, down there, little, it's still greased. Like, this is good. Okay. Now let's go on the inside real quick. So let's see the inside without hitting the door. Okay, again, it is very well kept. Oh, a little fuzzy there. The leather is magnificent. Beautiful work. It's a little dirty. Here's the dash. That is coming off. I'm putting this guy in there. Here's some other things. But let's see. Let's come in here. It reminds me of when I was a kid. I love it. 89,000 miles on the odometer. I'm gonna be changing this here steering wheel soon. Okay. See the back, but it's also very well. See, this is the front seat. I just took it out because it's really hard to get in and out with them. Okay, look at this frame. Even the seals, like, not dry, you know. So, anyways, on the back, let's open this cool trunk. All right, check it out. Close the door. So, in the inside here, this is me. I pulled this back, but let's look. I was looking for rust, you know. Just no rust is pen. This thing here. Okay. These speaker boxes are cracked, but not this one. But this one is. But that's okay. I'm sure we can find something. If not, we'll 3D print something. Since Edgar, my brother, got me that printer. Look at this. Okay. There's a little something on the bumper somewhere. I can't see right now. Okay. This here is, I don't know, that's my problem. I don't know if I'm good enough to clean that up. But it feels like something might be done. Okay. The other door. Let's make it again. Beautifulness. That's it. There she is. This panel is loose, but there's nothing wrong with it. Guess I'm gonna take it off, and I don't want it to scratch them. So I'm gonna take all the stuff out. So yeah. Anyways, this is the car. We will get cleaning and down to the bones. So that'll be the next step for this interesting project I've taken on. Oh, I didn't show the wheels. Here are the brakes and the wheels. I particularly do not like these, but I'm probably gonna try to chase down an original set with the circles. It looks really cool because they're really copying that Porsche 944 there. Well, everything looks amazing in this guy. Cold, then it's cold in here. So anyways, let's hope for the best of projects here. See you next time at the Brabant.